Welcome to Brain Bites Science Lab. Today, we're zooming into the most amazing machine ever built, your own body. Get ready to test your knowledge of bones, muscles, organs, and all the weird and wonderful things that keep you alive. Let's see how well you really know the human body.
How many bones are there in the adult human body? Can you pick the correct option?
206 is the correct answer. What is the longest bone in the human body? The correct answer is option A, femur. Which bone protects the brain? The correct answer is option C, skull. Which muscle is found in the heart? Yes! Option A is the correct answer. Cardiac muscle. What type of muscle can you control voluntarily? The correct answer is skeletal muscle. Which organ pumps blood through the body? Yes! Option A is the correct answer, the heart. Which type of blood cell helps fight infection? Option C, the white blood cells. What part of the blood carries oxygen? The red blood cells is the correct answer. Which organ is responsible for oxygen exchange? Option B, lungs, is the correct answer. What tube connects the mouth to the lungs? The correct answer is option C, trachea. Where does digestion begin? Option B, the mouth, is the correct answer. Where are most nutrients absorbed? Option B, small intestine, is the correct answer. What is the main control center of the body? Option A, the brain, is the correct answer. Which organ carries messages between the body and brain? The correct answer is option C, the spinal cord. Which organ detects sound? Option B, the ear, is the correct answer. What part of the eye controls the amount of light that enters? The correct answer is option B, the pupil. Which organ detects smell? Option B, the nose, is the correct answer. What is the largest sensory organ? The correct answer is option B, the skin.
What protein in red blood cells carries oxygen throughout the body?
The correct answer is option B, hemoglobin. What is the basic unit of life? Option B, the cell is the correct answer. Enjoying it so far? We are halfway through. Don't forget to subscribe to Brain Bites and hit the bell icon. Let's begin the next round. Which organ filters blood in the body? Option C, kidneys is the correct answer. Which is the strongest muscle based on its size? Concentrate. That's a tricky one. The correct answer is option B, masseter. What enzyme breaks down starch in the mouth? Option A, amylase is the correct answer. Which part of the brain controls breathing and heartbeat? The correct answer is option A, medulla.
What causes the sound of a heartbeat?
Option A is the correct answer. Heartbeat is caused by closing of heart valves. How many times does a human blink in a day, on average? Option B, 15,000 to 20,000 times is the correct answer. What is the smallest bone in the human body? The correct answer is option C, stapes. What connects bones to other bones? The correct answer is option C, ligaments. Which muscle helps you breathe? The correct answer is option B, diaphragm. What are the tiny blood vessels that connect arteries and veins? The correct answer is option B, arterioles. Which blood type is the universal donor? The correct answer is option A, O negative. What muscle aids breathing by contracting and expanding the lungs? The correct answer is option A, diaphragm. What is the voice box called? The correct answer is option B, larynx. Which organ produces bile? The correct answer is option B, liver. What organ stores bile? The correct answer is option B, gallbladder. What part of the brain controls balance? The correct answer is option C, cerebellum. Which cells transmit nerve signals? The The correct answer is option C, neurons.
Which gland regulates metabolism?
The correct answer is option A, thyroid. Which hormone regulates blood sugar? The correct answer is option B, insulin. What type of tissue connects muscles to bones? The correct answer is option B, tendon.
Great job, Brainiacs! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. We'd love to know. And hey, if you had fun, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a Brain Bites challenge. More quizzes, more fun, more learning, every single day. See you in the next one.